Welcome back to Tim's Weather Station. We are continuing to keep track of that major winter storm that is totally ruined from, strangely enough, I know that most winter storms and snowstorms form from toward Canada, but the storm is commentated because it's actually forming from the Pacific Ocean and not from Canada. So yeah, what's happening with this storm is it's shifted farther north. So yesterday on yesterday's model ones, it was showing a storm way far to the south, like in the Carolinas, North Carolina, South Carolina, Dallas, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Louisiana, Tennessee, Kentucky, in the central U.S., now it's shifted farther north. So now it includes states like the Dallas-Fort Worth, Northern Kentucky, Tennessee. Don't get me wrong, you're still in the crosshairs of snow, but for sure it's in Philadelphia, Washington D.C., New York City and State, in Boston, and everywhere above and below, as far south as the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma and New Mexico, that far south. And I personally think the highest snow totals anyway, I will get to the ice in a minute, but snow totals will be in the northeast somewhere. But now it's showing as high as 2 feet all along the I-95 total, but I think that's a little too overdoing it and a little too wide. So tomorrow we might see a shift in the mod ones, more east-based, and we might see another more thin band of 2 feet, a foot or more, but all that we know, there is to be snow. We know that the snow totals are to be big. We know there's a storm. We know where's the storm forming. What we don't know is two things. One is how far north and east north and west will how far the 1 foot of snow will go northwestward, and there been a big ice threat to the ice. The ice storm will be down south more, so I don't think we need to be as worried about it as states of Texas, Oklahoma, Kentucky, Louisiana, Alabama, stuff like that. The hotspots are in Virginia, North Carolina, Kentucky, Texas, Louisiana, states like that. That's where the main totals will be for ice. anywhere from an inch to 3/4 of an inch. And when he did that much ice, man, you do have some pretty catastrophic ice of an ice storm. Anyway, that's all for today. Said you for Washington's weather station. Just want to update you on the winter/ice storms. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. And I do, yes, now I haven't signed on with my typical Tim's weather station. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Said you're watching Tim's weather station. Until tomorrow, peace.